咁啊，我推介呢一啲書俾你啊，係啱啱淘寶新入手㗎。佢哋每一本書有呢一個可以俾大家去俾啲小朋友，就算唔識睇字都唔緊要。我哋嚟一個教學啦。首先揀一本你中意嘅書啊。我中意喎，因為我覺得呢啲太有字喎。你揀一本咯，呢本。OK， 呢一本叫做 Petting Zoo。咁我哋 match 翻佢嘅圖案，呢一個，咁我哋撳呢個，就係入到呢一個啦。
Peppa Pig Petting Zoo。
Petting Zoo。咁我哋咧就嚟第一頁，呢一度咧，呢一個雖然唔識讀係咪？咁我哋咧就 match 翻呢一個，第一個係呢一個啦，唔一定係第一個啊，揾翻佢第一個嘅圖案。
Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are taking Peppa, George, and Rebecca Rabbit to visit a petting zoo at the farm.
Hooray!
Everyone will get to meet and pet cute little animals.
係啦，然之後咧就如此類推，之後後面嗰頁呢個黃色三角形，咁我哋就揾呢個黃色三角形。
Hello there, my
呢一個
lovelies,
就揾呢
says
個
Mrs. Badger. Here are the chickens.
之後後面
Would
就
you
用
like to
呢一
feed
個
the
三角
chickens
形。
their
唔
lunch?
一定要上咗嚟啦。有唔同系列嘅書都係咁樣，可以慢慢睇咧呢成個聖誕㗎。
Says Mummy.
係喎，咁你睇啦。OK。